Hello and thank you for joining us for this quick tutorial. In this demonstration I will show you how to create a contemporary corporate design using faux amaryllis. Now fresh cut amaryllis are typically available between November through to March, and florists and floral designers love using these oversized blooms because they are bold, elegant and long lasting. Amaryllis look fabulous no matter how you display them, combined with other flowers or even on their own. Now with the use of faux, this allows us to use the stems all season long and create beautiful statement arrangements to suit every season, from spring right through to winter. Now in general, faux flowers are long lasting, low maintenance and offer good value for money. They're a great idea to include within your portfolio as an alternative to your clients. So first let me introduce to you the materials, equipment and tools. So today, very simply, I have faux amaryllis. You can see they're really realistic. And I have corylus contorta. Then I have a large cylinder glass vase, but you could use any vessel that lends itself to this style of arrangement. I've got scissors, wire cutters and secateurs. Now I'll use the secateurs to cut the corylus, but I will just warn you, the stems on the faux amaryllis can be really difficult to cut short. So you're going to need scissors to cut the plastic outer coating, and then you definitely will need wire cutters to cut the central wire. They do take a bit of persuasion to cut, but it can be done. Right, so now I'm going to get started. Now first I'm going to place my corylus contorta into the vase. Now what this in effect will do is create a frame to actually stand and rest the faux amaryllis onto. So I've pre-cut them to the height and the size that I want. Now this is actually new cut corylus, so if you look carefully you'll see it's still got the green buds on it. So if you were to actually place this in water, it would develop, so you'd get leaves growing on it. But obviously on this occasion I want to keep it as a dried product. Now the corylus really helps to bring texture and interest to the design. And I've just spotted that we've even got some little catkins on this corylus. So now I'm going to add my faux amaryllis. Now what I've done, if I hold them all up you can see, is I've actually cut two stems shorter than the others. Now by adding different heights, it adds interest to the design. If you have everything all on one level, your eye can't actually take in all the individual heads. So by having them at different heights, that will achieve that. So place my large tall one at the back. Next one beside it. So you can see already how you can use that corylus as a frame to rest and secure the amaryllis stems. And then bringing my shorter stems in. That's the shortest one. Bring him to the front. And then the last one to the side. I'm just going to sweep that piece of corylus back slightly. Now, more suited to large-scale designs, the blooms, however, can be adjusted height-wise. So if you wanted to, you could cut some, even the faux ones, really short and place them in a lower vase beside the large vase. That just helps to add additional focus to the composition and will add interest to this rather bare area of the vase here. Now you could, if you wanted to, add lights on the corylus for ambience, or seasonal decorations such as baubles to further decorate and capture the season within the venue. Now the little glass baubles work beautifully with LED lights on that. And you could also add some crystals or sand or something of interest into the base of the vase, just again to take away that bareness there. So thank you so much for watching this demonstration. I hope you can take away some useful tips and tricks that you can use within your own compositions. Now, although relatively quick, faux flowers are a great addition to your portfolio and offer another USP to your prospective clients. Now, this is brilliant in helping you stand out amongst your local competitors in your area. Thanks again for watching. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you in another design very soon. Bye for now.